how to turn off your location on Reddit application. First, you want to simply tap on Reddit app to open the app. Tap on this U option over here and tap on three bars. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on settings and you'll be able to see an option called account settings over here. Tap on account settings and tap on location customization over here. After that, you want to simply select on no location specified, and by doing so you would have successfully turned off your Reddit location. There is also another way. You want to simply come back from the app completely, tap and hold onto the Reddit app and tap on app info. Tap on notifications and you want to simply turn this notification toggle off if you have it turned on. Inside your app info, you want to simply tap on permissions and you want to simply select locations. If you have it set on allow only whilst using the application, you want to simply select it to don't allow over here, and by doing so you would have successfully turned off location access for the Reddit app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.